Look around your YMCA. Do you see children, teens, young adults? Children, teens, and young adults participate in every aspect of our YMCA's, from swim lessons to childcare, from leadership to employment programs, camps, sports, leader corps, exchanges, and so much more. Children, teens, and young adults and certain adults are considered to be vulnerable groups. In the world we live in today, unfortunate events will occur. According to the Public Health Agency of Canada, an estimated 85,400 children and young people per year suffer a form of abuse in Canada, and this is based only on reported incidents. It is suspected that many more incidents go unreported. The YMCA is committed to strengthening the foundations of community. All YMCA's in Canada share the imperative to improve the health and well-being of children, teens, young adults, and vulnerable adults in Canada. Child protection and child abuse prevention matters to us because of our beliefs and work with people. As you continue through this orientation, note that it applies to protecting vulnerable adults even when not explicitly stated. The objective of the YMCA Child Protection Standards requirements is to ensure all YMCA's have the resources and systems in place to protect children. This helps associations to manage risk and provide effective leadership. The standards will increase an awareness about child protection and child abuse, enable sufficient training, improve consistency across YMCA's, across programs and between staff and volunteers, improve the accessibility of information related to child protection and child abuse prevention, and build on the expertise, resources, and technologies to enhance risk management and human resource management. What does this mean for you? It means that you will have the opportunity to learn about YMCA child protection policies and procedures, and you will need to implement them while at the YMCA as a staff or volunteer. For example, you may recall before you became a staff or volunteer of the YMCA, you were required to go to your local police department to obtain a security check that included the vulnerable sector, and submit it with your other information. That is part of the national standards. Physical security is a part of the national standards. At your YMCA, you might be assessing points of access and entry, supervising public areas of your YMCA or program areas, or you might be signing children in and out of programs. What you are participating in now is an orientation to the YMCA Child Protection Policies and Procedures. Later, you will learn more about your role in recognizing and responding to concerns about child abuse, what advice to give to children and young people to help keep them safe, and who you should go to for support. The YMCA is fully committed to safeguarding the welfare of all children and young people. We recognize our responsibility to promote safe practices and to protect children and young people from harm, abuse, and exploitation. The YMCA is committed to ensuring that individually and collectively we provide a safe environment for children and young people, identify children and young people who are suffering or likely to suffer harm, and take appropriate action to see that such children and young people are kept safe at the YMCA. As a YMCA staff or volunteer, you live this commitment every day. This is the end of this section of the presentation. Thank you for listening.